What up, you guys? It's your girl, LaNaeMonique.
I'm Tahzia Cooper.
We're about to give you this little quick video. Can you stand the rain? Hope you like it. Comment. All that.
Like, no haters. Like, whatever.
Yeah, because I ain't got a minute.
I don't know.
Anywho.
Chill with the fuck.
Here we go. On a perfect day, I know that I can count on you. Ooh. When that's not possible, tell me, can you weather the storm? Oh.
'Cause I need somebody who can stand by me through the good times and bad times. He will always be right there.
Sunny days, everybody loves them.
Tell me, baby,
can you stand the rain? Storms will come.
This we know for sure.
This we know for sure.
Can
you stand the rain?
Love unconditional. I'm not asking this of you. Ooh, we've got to make it last. I'll do whatever needs to be done.
'Cause I need somebody who will stand by me. When it's time, he won't run. He will always be right there. Sunny days, everybody loves them. Tell me, baby, can you stand the rain? Storms will come. This we know for sure. This we know for sure. Can you stand the rain? Alright, you guys. Now you heard us. Go ahead and comment and like it. You already know. This is...